Hey YouTube, I'm going to cover this song by Chelou or Chelou or Chelou, I don't know how it's pronounced. But the song is called Wishing Well, and the chords in the song are D minor. In fact, when it begins, it plays. That's part of this. Well, we got the open D, and then we're playing part of this D minor shape, but we're just playing on the top two strings. And then, let's see, there's a B flat. You play here. You could take the A shape and move it one fret up. Play it like that. And there's also a G minor, like in the middle breakdown. They go D minor, B flat major to G minor. I think that's the only other chord, but the verses are D minor to B flat. But here's what I think is being played. So we got this D shape here, right? And we're playing the D right there. And then we're barring it across the high E. And then we pull off. It's just triplets though. It's 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And then we go to the B flat, and we can play. This is the 6th fret, right? We have this B flat bar chord, and we're just kind of playing out of that. And then go back to the and there's a lot of synthesizers on this song, so if you're going to play it on guitar, you're going to kind of have to fill in for the synthesizers with your D minor, B flat, and G minor format. Okay, thanks for that request. Have fun playing it. Bye.